This is going to be the in-depth review of the Nike React Element 55s. Let's open the box. I love this tape. I'm gonna have to get some for myself. I should get like a tripod or something, but you know, we're just gonna go the one hand kind of thing. It's working out alright. Also, Nike in the box. Pretty legit stuff here. Obviously, when it comes to Nike. Cha-ching. Cha-boing. Wow. Added to the collection. Alrighty. Dun dun dun. Oh, that's an order review. Let's not put that in the video. But bam. Add to the pile of boxes. Bam. One shoe. Two shoes. Bam. Pretty cold right now because they just came from the outside, but look pretty nice. These are pretty decently, not too small, not too small. But they're pretty dark. I didn't know how dark the gray was gonna be because I never actually got to like see these in person. I just ordered them. Don't know the size. Well, I know these are 11.5, but I don't know what size I'm actually. But we'll see how they fit. I don't know. They look pretty high quality. I don't know. Let me try them on and I'll let you guys know. So just starting out, I only got one shoe on, but this is a very like thin kind of mesh area, along with the tongue is actually like super thin. Like it's like a very like thin floppy kind of material. Also tag comes out, so I put my shoe on and it's like tickling my little my foot, so not liking that too much. But overall, I mean, pretty comfy. This is definitely like super sturdy. It's gonna make me like 2 inches taller at least. Let's go. But I like the black color of it, matching with the pants. Oh my gosh. But let me get the other shoe on and we'll see what it looks. So got them both on now. There's a very big Nike on this side, no Nike inside, on the inside of it. I mean, I heard that there's like holes that are drilled in to like help with comfort and stuff like that, but they feel pretty sturdy. You can definitely feel like the laces depending on how tight you put them, like against your foot. So like compared to these Ultra Boost, they have obviously a lot thicker material here, so you can't really feel it, and they have the flat laces. These obviously have the circular ones, but overall, good shoes, nice and comfy. For the price, $130 on the Nike website. I'd say they're buy. Go buy them. Hope you liked the review. If you have any questions, ask below. If you're watching this like months after I got them, obviously I'll have like more time wearing them. So just ask some questions, whatever you want. Peace.